Banquet carts are one of the most widely used pieces of food warming equipment in the food service industry today. Of course, safety is paramount, and we want to make sure the food is held at a safe and ideal serving temperature that's above 140 degrees. And we want to make sure that the folks that are operating these pieces of equipment are safe as well. These units are insulated and designed to hold food at a safe and optimal serving temperature. Often, they're equipped with electrical warming units, which are great for priming the box. This means getting it up to holding temperature. However, there are times when using the electrical element is not an option, such as when it's malfunctioning or during transport or staging. So what's the best Sterno brand fuel to use? Well, this depends on a number of variables, such as the condition or tightness of the cart. That's how well it holds heat, the length of the event, density of food, and the amount of product being loaded. We recommend using a wick type of fuel over a gel type for a couple of reasons. Wic fuels provide extended burn times and are much safer during transport. I'm recommending the 6-hour stem wick for use in banquet carts, but the fundamentals we're about to share apply to any wick fuel you use. For this cart, 4 cans of 6-hour stem wick are ideal. Wic products have a couple of design features that make them a great choice for banquet carts. The can stays cool to the touch when lit, so they can easily be repositioned if needed, and they are spill resistant. Let's prime the cart. This can be done using either the electrical unit or with chafing fuel. If using chafing fuel to prime, open the can, place the fuel correctly in position on the lowest level in all 4 corners. Using a long-reach butane lighter, light the wick. Always allow the cabinet to come up to temperature before loading. Make sure the fuel is securely in place. After loading the cart with food and shutting the doors, transport with care. To maximize heat retention, keep doors closed when the cart is loaded until service begins. If using the electrical unit to prime the cart, wait till the cart comes up to temp, unplug, and then load the fuel. For more information and to get your free safety and usage posters, visit sterno.com.